how does the Pure framework prepare me for working alongside AI tools?
Oh yeah, there's definitely courses. I know Josh has got a good course in there on how to utilize AI. And right now, honestly, if you're not getting in front of that, you're behind. So there's definitely a lot of, I don't know how much in there is all AI, but I definitely know that like Josh has got a course. I think there's 2 others. Ben, you might know better than that, but it's definitely in the course.
Great. Okay, Ben, same to you. How does Pure prepare you for the AI revolution that's coming?
I think part of it is understanding, yes, how to go and use it, but then also understanding perspectives of how we can best use it, right? And so one of the things, especially from a risk management perspective, is we have generally had a hard time being able to understand risk or better ways to go and doing things because we don't necessarily have large data sets, right? That we can go and compare and say, hey, these are similar types of projects and these are the similar type of risks that we have. But now we have a whole swath of data that we have access to. And it gives us a better idea of what better questions or prompts can we be providing to AI to provide useful answers to us, right? Now, obviously, there's things you have to be careful of in terms of, intellectual property and company privacy, all of those different areas. But you can ask more general pieces to say, hey, you as the AI person or the AI entity, right? Pretend you're the world's best risk manager for this type of project. I'm managing a size of project this size. What are the type of risks that I need to be aware of, right? To get your team, yourself thinking about, what do I need to be aware of? What do we need to focus on? And then there's different things within the tools now that you can be able to use to make your project management more efficient, right? But if anything, it just allows you a little bit more expansive thinking, and Pure just gives you the tools to be able to think through that lens.
It's really nice, and I like the direction that things are going, because you're right, prompting was sort of the flavor of the month for the last year or so, it feels like. But that's now even moving into AI-powered application development, and I can see a future where project managers are not only prompting LLMs effectively, they're using those prompts to spin up their own applications that can make their lives easier as well. I think the AI stuff is going to become as prevalent as things like Excel and PowerPoint for us. It'll just be expected that you can do this.
It's already saved me. AI saves me so much time. But I do want to add one thing here, if you don't mind. AI, when we really think about it, a lot of people are worried about how do we apply AI? Is it going to get our jobs? There's really one thing we have to think about when it comes to AI. 30% is us inputting the data, asking the right questions. So you have to have the context and knowledge to be able to do that. 40% is AI doing the heavy lifting for us. It does things, it takes us hours and seconds. But the other 30% to get our 100% is us reviewing it to make sure that the output actually is accurate, because it will spit out some things that are not accurate. So just remember, 60% of it is still on us to make sure that the right data in gives us the right data out. And that's important for people to recognize. I mean, it helps us do the hard stuff, but we still have to have that context. And I think that's what, to echo what Ben was saying, Pure gives you that framework. And so if you understand those concepts, you can ask the right questions, get the right output.
Really good. Really good. It's one thing I like to say, you can ask AI for stuff and it'll give you stuff. Doesn't mean it's going to be good stuff, but you'll get something.
You're right. I've gotten some amazingly wrong stuff from AI.